At Slimline Warehouse, we're committed to your business success. We offer a rewarding on-seller program for all Australian print and display companies to on-sell direct to your customers. Our bulk buying incentive program gives you discounts on purchases of larger quantities. The more you buy, the less you pay. What's more, our online price calculator ensures our product and shipping costs remain transparent. All our products are packaged in brand-free nude boxes, making it suitable for you to reuse the packaging when sending updated orders to your customers. Thought that was good? We also don't include any invoices or order statements in our packaging. Ideal for both on-sellers and dropship companies. Choose Slimline Warehouse as your display product provider and reap the benefits of a rewarding on-seller program. Order before 2 p.m. and your products will be eligible for same-day dispatch to anywhere within Australia. Slimline Warehouse, providing the tools to build your brand.